In this video, I will show you how to download the tools that we will use for data analysis. As you already know, the tool is called R. So just go to Google, let your search entry be download R, and the first result that you get should be in rproject.org. And depending on the system you use, you will have a specific word written here, and the word here is Windows because Windows is my operating system. So just click on it, and on top of the page you should see the link to download R. Today is January 24th, 2018, and the latest version of R as of today is R 3.4.3. So just click on it. Once you click on it, the download process will be initiated, and once you there it is. Once you download it, just go ahead and install, just like you would install any other software on your system, Windows in my case. So after downloading and installing R, the second piece of software that we need to download and install is called RStudio. So again, go to Google, let your search entry be download RStudio, and the first result is what you want to click on. RStudio has several versions, and the version that we're interested in is the free version, RStudio Desktop, the free RStudio Desktop, not the free RStudio server. This is for another purpose. So click on the download button under RStudio Desktop Free, and it will take you to a bunch of links. Depending on your system, you should click on one specific link. I am on a Windows system, as I said, so the first link is what I want to click on. If you're using a Mac, the second link is what you want to click on. If you have one of these distributions of Linux, then one of these links may be of interest to you. So once you click on it, again, this will initiate the download process for RStudio. Right after downloading it, just install it as you would install any other software on your system.